Today, I will be talking about the NSW Government Transport Sustainability Plan. One of the sustainability visions is to empower customers to make sustainable choices. Transport for New South Wales is providing more sustainable transport options that will be available for customers. They will use customer journeys to inform, engage, and inspire more sustainable practices and demonstrate transport's progress. The lodgement and the name of service journey give a breadth of information and insights on the customers of a service. Being organized is critical to the success of the team. Empathy will be built and teams will be aligned. There will be an involvement in the delivery of stakeholders, and Transport for New South Wales will identify opportunities for customer-centric improvements and innovation. In accordance to the facts, to the visual view of the customer's journey map being created and turned by customer research, opportunities for improvements will be identified. Users will get a map that shows the feeling, doing, and using of customers as they move through the service. The pains and opportunities will also be documented in the map. This will be done after the team has finished analyzing the findings from the research of the customer. Before you start, it is important to do these things. Research findings will be processed as a team. The different kinds of customers will be identified from the research, and an empathy map will be created for each customer type. The first step is that who will be going on the journey will be described on the personal board. The second step is that the phases, action, feelings, touch points, and pain points will be plotted out in each phase of the journey. The third step is that the journey will be reviewed as a team and opportunities will be captured so that the customer journey will be improved. The next steps to take will involve a customer journey map with stakeholders and those responsible for delivering the service. The opportunities that Transport for New South Wales have identified will be prioritized, and the most critical ones will start working first. Solutions-based customer outcomes and design data-led interventions will be provided by Transport for New South Wales to respond to network challenges so that issues will be elevated, demand will be shaped, and customers will be empowered to make the best travel choices possible. Sustainable transport use is being encouraged widely so that network efficiency, sustainability, and social outcomes can be used as reasons on the use of sustainable transport. There are two key questions that TF New South Wales can understand. What can it do from an operational perspective to address transport equity issues in Western Sydney and outer metro and regional areas? With a subset of that question being, how can we reduce car dependency and create mode shift to public and active transport in these environments? Travel demand management and behavior change responses to these questions sparks interest to TF New South Wales. These responses will be targeted in the specific outer metropolitan and regional areas and contexts. In contrast, how that approach can be focused on the existing urban applications. There will be a greater understanding of the significant benefits on how transport equity can be improved and transport disadvantage can be reduced. Additional benefits will also be considered, and the transfer and the capture can be further understood. The right operational levers and short-term initiatives will be suggested as a way to promote mode shift, decrease the usage of cars, and social equity and accessibility issues will be addressed. These operational levers and short-term initiatives will also be assessed. The Connecting NSW strategy aims to accommodate the growing freight task by having more dedicated rail freight capacity. More passing loops will be constructed in regional New South Wales so that separation of freight, rail and passenger rail services can be will be improved. Productivity will be improved and larger economic benefits will be contributed. Similar microfreight vehicles will replace larger vans that will offer fast delivery in busy or congested environments in urban areas. Creating a safer, more accessible neighborhood is our top priority. Find out more and learn how these changes can make everyday life better for you. From these goals, please support Transport for New South Wales by emailing or ringing them as they aim to achieve the sustainability goals in the future. Thank you for watching.